This video demonstrates how to use rules to automatically trigger Bluetooth scanners to broadcast beacons. By setting up automation rules, this enforces the Bluetooth device to start broadcasting beacons when a specific condition is met. In this case, when the Bluetooth scanner moves completely out of range and disconnects from the mobile device, it automatically starts broadcasting beacons. This allows the user to locate the Bluetooth scanner using the proximity meter. Another device can locate a Bluetooth scanner that is out of range from its original connected mobile device. In this scenario, the Bluetooth scanner is initially connected to the mobile device on the left. When the scanner moves out of range and disconnects, an automation rule triggers it to start broadcasting beacons. At this point, a second mobile device on the right can be used to locate the scanner by using the proximity meter and paging the device. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching.